Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AJ and welcome to my travel log. Join me as I make memories and explore the most beautiful and amazing destinations in the world. What's up guys and welcome to my travel log. I hope you all enjoyed watching the first part of my Balabac vlog. So ito na yung continuation ng aking adventure in Balabac. Pero if hindi mo pa napanood, pretty please check mo naman ang aking previous video. So this time, I'll take you to the stunning Onok Island. Get ready to be amazed by its beauty. So, vámonos chicos! On the way pa lang sa Onok Island, mapapansin mo na agad ang inviting beauty nito. It's so eye-catching. Yung nag-iisang bahay in the middle of the ocean, that is the sign na malapit na kayo. Masasabi mo lang talaga na this is it. The water is so crystal clear. Parang gusto mo nang tumalaw na agad. And of course, automatic na yung labasan ng mga camera and phones para kumuha ng bawat anggulo ng ganda ng island na to.
Video mo lang.
Video nga po.
Dapat na ito. Okay na.
Saan na naman? May docking area pala.
We arrive at the island around 10 a.m. and the moment we set foot here, the stunning beauty of the place instantly made us forget how super gutom na kami. Our eyes were already feasting on the breathtaking views. But of course, the staff didn't disappoint naman and prepared another mouth-watering seafood feast. Kahit bawal sa akin yung crab, my God, ang sarap, super nakakamiss. Siyempre, we couldn't miss exploring the rest of the island. Kaya pumunta kami sa kabilang side and wow, ang ganda ng view as in palm trees everywhere and the cool breeze made it even more relaxing. We also met a black cat na super papansin habang nag-picture and nag-video kami. Ang cute niya and maamo siya, pero be gentle lang kasi di natin siya masyadong kilala. I can't believe ang daming pawikan dito sa island. And I even got the chance to swim with them. Ang cool pa kasi kahit hindi ka marunong lumangoy, you can still join them since mababaw lang yung tubig. Ang saya panoorin ng mga pawikan habang enjoy na enjoy sila sa pagkain ng mga sea grasses for their lunch. Good morning, guys. Yes, we stayed here overnight in Onok Island. And let me tell you, hindi ganon ka-comfy yung tulugan. So, I didn't get the best ever. Pero okay lang, kasi sulit naman yung experience. Now, here we are, starting the day with a walk papunta sa sandbar. And guess what? Kasama namin yung black cat na nakilala namin kahapon. Parang siya na talaga yung nag-volunteer na maging tour guide namin. Ang kulit niya kasi sumasabay sa amin habang naglalakad. Parang may sariling mission din siya to show us around. What a fun and unique way to explore the island. We headed back to the floating cottage or whatever you call it. It's actually the same spot where we had our breakfast and lunch. Meron din siyang accommodation dito where we were originally supposed to spend the night. But after seeing how many people were staying there, and mostly guys, may mga marine kasi dyan, we decided to stick with our camp style setup instead. We thought it would be more comfortable, pero para sa akin, hindi siya naging comfortable matulog.
Look at the view.
Yung Lumangoy ay tumalon sa GU and then Domen. Diba? Ito po yung sistema ng panahon. Kahit may storm or kahit may ulan, pictorial is is a must. Ayan, oh, 'di ba? Ang dami nagpi-pictorial, guys. Ooh.
And para naman masulit ang aming experience and syempre ang bayad sa tour na to, kailangan talaga ng better outfit. Kaya nagbihis kami ng Shy and Lace for a quick photo shoot and syempre video shoot na rin. White sand meets the white outfit. Perfect match, diba? Pero grabe guys, yung beach talaga, sobrang pino ng buhangin, parang pulbos. Tapos yung tubig, super crystal water na parang salamin. Super ganda sa background talaga as in. And ang sarap talaga mag-post and mag-video. Lalo na kung kapag kasama mo yung friends mo na game para sa pictorial. Around 1 p.m., bumalik na kami dito sa Siksikan Island. After few hours, yung iba, excited na naman pumunta sa next island para mag-snorkeling. But me, I decided na magstay na lang muna dito. Chill mode tayo for today's video. Relax, enjoy the view, at syempre, beach vibes all the way. Yeah! Isa pa, kaya rin ako nagpaiwan kasi nawala ni Lace yung goggles namin sa Onok Island. But sad to say, nagbayad kami for the lost goggles, like around 1,500. Pero okay lang. Perfect excuse ito para mag-slow down and enjoy the last day in this slice of paradise. Yes, you made it to the end of my vlog. Since nandito ka rin naman sa dulo, let me leave you with a little treat. Some of our favorite photos from Onok Island, Balabac, Palawan. I hope you had as much as fun watching as I did, capturing these moments. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you on my next travel log. Keep exploring. Hasta la próxima!